Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to make people watch your video. How to make people watch your video. Okay, most persons after creating content, okay, you see people not watching it, not clicking on it. So we're going to be learning how to do that, right? Yes. Now, number one thing you want to do is that you want to hook them, okay? You want to hook them for the first 3 to 5 seconds, okay? Yes. Use curiosity, driven intro, okay? Your thumbnail must be hooking enough to hook them. Your title has to hook them, okay? Your CTR has to work very well. So you need to use the curiosity driven intro. Okay, start your intro with something that is very very enticing, something that will make people to want to stay and watch. Okay, because if your video begins very boring, I tell you that video is already dead. Nobody want to watch that video. Okay, now you can begin with something like most people click off videos in 10 seconds. Here is why. Or you can start something like, if you skip this part, you will never grow your YouTube. All these things is gonna make people to want to stay and see the part that they're going to watch, that will make them to grow their YouTube. So these are the things you need to do. Okay, make it your goal. Okay, make them need to keep watching. Okay, yes, you have to keep them there with all these things you say. Or you can say this video is gonna help you grow your channel, but number 7 is even more important, right? So when you say something like that, it will also help them, right? Yes. So the second thing you want to do is you want to create curiosity, right? Open a loop, create curiosity, okay, between them. Give people reason to stay. Yes, something like, at the end of this video I will show you one trick that changed everything for me. Yes, now their brain will be like, I need to see that thing that will change everything for me. So you need to give them that curiosity. What is that thing that will change everything? It is called curiosity loop. So you need to give it to them. Now the third thing you want to do is that you want to cut out all the boring parts in your video. This is why editing is very very important, right? So you need to cut out every boring part, cut out the long pauses, cut out the repeating of yourself, cut out every interjections that you use, cut out unnecessary intros that you use, right? You want to cut all of these things out. Okay, now each second should neither teach something or entertain or move the story forward, right? So that is it. Now the third thing you want to do is the fourth thing you want to do is you need to use pattern interrupt. I've said this in several times in my video. Pattern interrupt is very good. Now how do you do this? Okay, if your video feels like let's say you've been talking and talking and talking, you need to introduce some interruption. Okay, you need to maybe zoom in, zoom off, introduce pictures, images to what you are saying, right? So that is it. So you like I've said, you can add text to your screen. Okay, you can change your camera angle, you can use sound effects. This is what we call pattern interrupt. So when you do this thing, it will keep the audience watching, right? Yes, it will also keep their brain stimulated to keep watching what you are doing. Now another thing you want to do, okay, to keep people watching your video is to tell stories. Right? Storytelling is very good. Storytelling can retain people. Yes, it can retain people. People want to hear stories. People want to tell stories. Okay, so even if it's tutorial that you're doing, tell stories. Okay, very very important. So human being, they love stories more than information. So instead of saying here 5 tips to how to do this, you can just say why I started YouTube. I made these mistakes and it almost made me to quit my YouTube. Now people want to hear that story. They want to know the mistakes that you made, that almost want to want you to quit your YouTube channel. They want to know everything. So use storytelling. Okay, tell people story. Okay, it makes it feel so personal, right? Yeah. Now the sixth thing you want to do to keep people watching is you have to make them feel something. Right? Yeah. People stay when they feel emotion, when they feel when the story can, when what you are saying can relate to what is happening to them, okay, they also stay when they are curious. Okay, so if all these things are not saying, no, they won't stay to watch, right? So for example, you can say, if you've ever struggled to speak, okay, and felt embarrassed, this is for you. Now somebody who may want to watch, because this is relatable to them, right? So if they will want to watch and see, because they will say, this is me that you are talking to, something like. So that line alone will keep the right audience watching your video. Now the second thing you want to do is to give a micro reward, okay, throughout. Give micro rewards throughout, okay. Don't save all value for the end. No, as you are giving your video, you are giving out value, additional value, something like drop small tips along the way, okay. Give quick wins, okay, and then tease what is coming next. Introduce all these things as you are giving your videos to make people to stay and watch. Something like, if you stay to the end, I'll give you this, I'll give you that, I'll drop this thing that will help you. Stuff like that keeps people watching, right? Yeah, so that is it. So it will keep your viewers thinking, oh, this is actually worth my time, let me stay and watch. You get? Yes. So the next thing you want to do is to end strong, okay. So the next thing you want to do now is to end strong, right? Yes, you need a very strong ending, okay. Yes, don't fade out, right? Yes, you need to end strong, okay. Most people ruin their ending. Don't say, yeah, that is it, thanks, stuff like that. Instead, you can say, reinforce value, okay. You can reinforce the value you have given before, okay. You can give a powerful takeaway, or you can fix the next video that you're about to give. Examples, you can do something like, if you apply just one thing from this video, your watch time will change, and in the next video I will show you how to make people click your video. Something like that is a very good ending. So you end like that, okay. Now there are some simple formulas that you can follow that will help you, okay. Like I said before, use this structure, it will help you. Number one, hook them. Curiosity, value, patterns, changes, okay. That is pattern interrupt, pattern changes, emotion, payoff, and strong ending, okay. That is it. So just introduce real talk. You don't need better equipment, you don't need to post more, you just need to make videos that people can't leave, okay. So that is it. So this is where we're going to end it. If you can apply this 17 I've mentioned in this video, there's no way people will not keep coming back to your video, there's no way people will not keep coming to watch your video, okay. Yes, have you subscribed? So if you like what we do, subscribe to this channel, and I want to see you in my next video. All right, I'm your friend Stevie. Until next one, bye.